101.1 Smartfm di Spirit of Indonesia, BPEC.
Wow, bright and
Okay, give me the
breezy.
applause. Oh my God! Thank you for the spirit, guys. Even here is the coldest because the rainy season, but you are guys keep moving forward, keep spirit. Anyway, we face for the third question. My third question is But anyway, is that clear for the second question? I already asked you.
Yes.
No? No?
No?
Not yet? Okay, you already finished?
Yes.
You finished?
Yep.
Okay, sorry for the second question, make it. Okay, you did get the point, right? What is the causes of climate change?
Anyway, the causes of the climate change is basically from the God. Yes. And what we have to do for the human is to minimize the how to say
How the way to minimize
the causes of the climate change.
How the way to minimize this?
To not
Save the energy, like lamp.
Yeah,
You turn
yeah.
off for the exact time, the on time.
Yeah, so don't use how to say
Wasting.
yeah, the
energy.
wasting of the energy, like go with car and something is happen with gas.
Okay, make efficiency, right,
yeah.
Brian? Okay, anyway, I move to the third question. Okay, you waiting, right? Okay, my third question, I'm start from Ayu.
Yeah.
Okay, have you feel that when you was child, then right now
Yes.
the weather or the climate is changed?
Yes. Okay. So.
Could you explain it?
Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay. So I think that it is different.
Mhm.
Why?
Mhm.
Because when I was a child,
Mhm.
I feel that the weather only two,
The weather only two. Yeah, absolutely. In Indonesia, only two. Only summer and rainy season.
Yes. I said that when I
Uh-huh.
was child, the weather in a day or in a years only two,
Mm.
winter
Now?
and summer. But in this
Okay, okay.
time, that's like what I said before, that the weather maybe sometimes transition, yeah. Yes,
Okay.
transition season, summer and then winter.
New,
Because
let's recall new era season.
yeah.
New era season.
Oh yes.
Yes,
Era
yes.
season.
Era baru musim.
Yeah.
Musim era baru.
Yes.
Like that.
Yes.
Yeah, new era season.
Yes.
So, but anyway, may I know where is your live for the comparison about the weather?
Yes.
Are you live on the like Malino or
Yeah.
where?
Yeah, actually, I live in near from Malakaji.
Oh wow!
Yes.
Yeah, dataran tinggi, right?
Yes, and
So it's a very fresh.
yes, very fresh and
Yes.
cool. And when I go to Makassar,
Mhm.
it feels, oh my God, maybe in Makassar there are 3 seasons.
Oh my God!
No, just kidding.
Yeah,
Because,
what's up?
you know,
Season.
Yes, and when I was a child, I think that when I was a child, I seldom fallen to be sick.
Mhm.
But when I grow up, and in this time, sometimes why I always fallen to be sick? It's about climate change, or
Okay,
what?
I know Malakaji Datarat, Taring, Malakaji,
Yes.
Birbul,
Birbul.
Pencung.
Yeah.
Yeah. I know them. I know. So you feel totally different when you was child than now.
Yes.
It's a getting different. It's not
Different.
normal.
Yeah,
right.
it's abnormal.
Maybe when you was child, it's a getting coolest.
Yes,
But now
cool.
getting
Cool,
Hot.
and combined.
Oh my God. Okay, what about you, Nanda? Do you feel that it's different when you was child than right now?
Okay, thank you, Kak. To be honestly,
Mhm.
I didn't really pay much attention the
Ah.
climatic condition when
Mhm.
when I was child.
Which one your attention? TikTok? No, kidding. Okay, continue. Uh-huh.
But we can see today, we can feel that today there are more and more buildings everywhere, anywhere, vehicles anywhere. So I think it different because mungkin setiap rumah gitu has the air conditioner.
But I know your location. Where do you live? When you was child and until now, where do you live? For the comparison.
When I was child, I live in Malangke, Masamba.
Oh, Evi Masamba.
No.
Okay, Malangke. Okay. When you was child, you live there.
Yes, I am.
Until you.
Just until third class, just
What do you
class
mean?
3. Kelas 3 SD, when I elementary school.
Oh, and after that you moved?
I moved to Makassar.
Oh, wow. So it's the longest here than in Malangke.
Yes, I am.
But how do you feel for the transition atmosphere between Malangke and Makassar? What about the
Makassar,
the temperature?
Oh, the temperature.
Yes.
Because in Makassar there are a lot of many vehicles anywhere because it is the air not really udaranya
fresh,
yes,
not fresh,
not really fresh, not like in the village fresh. There are many trees.
So it means that in other words you missing your Malangke. You're missing, right? You're miss.
Maybe.
Maybe. Okay. So totally different.
Yes.
Okay, thank you, Nanda. I move to Brian.
Okay.
How do you feel when you was child then right now about weather, about climate?
When I was child,
May I know for the comparison, where do you live when you was child?
Yeah,
and after that you move where?
yeah.
Okay.
When I was child, I live in Antang.
Antang.
With my parents. Parents, yes.
Yes.
And
after that you move?
I moved to Petarani since I was 4 years old, maybe.
Oh, 4 years ago.
Yeah, no, 4 years.
4 years old.
Yes.
Oh, since you baby, you was live
In Antang. Yes.
and grow up for the 4 years old. You moved to the Petarani.
Yes.
So what is the
Present.
difference you feel when you was child than now?
When I was child, I was happy.
Yeah. Automatically, yeah, of course.
And if there is a rainy, I was happy at the time because we can, how to say, mandi hujan.
Oh yeah, okay. But what about the temperature, the differences when you was child and right now, the temperature of the climate change?
Temperature, I think it's same.
Same.
Yes.
So you feel not different?
The difference is my feeling when I was child and right now.
Okay.
When there is climate, when there is rainy.
So because our topic is the climate change, perubahan cuaca. Of course, there is a change about temperature. I mean the significant, the difference. Of course, it was happened because it's a global warming and people's cutting tree, cutting forest, and vehicle production the gas, and of course getting harm, getting hot. Of course, automatically it's a happen. The change it's happened, especially for the temperature. Okay, thank you, Brian.
Thank you.
I will back to you next.
Okay.
What about you, Fausan? Do you feel this different when you was child than now?
Yeah, I feel it's so different now. To compare before, we know that in Petarani Street,
Petarani
Street,
okay.
there are so many trees in there.
Oh yeah. I still remember that. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Right.
Yes.
And if I wrong, you can correct it.
If you are not wrong.
Yeah, I mean, in 2017, the government is cutting the tree.
Yeah.
For the pembangunan in Tolayang.
Yeah. Oh, good.
Because I was school there in MTSN 1.
Oh.
So I feel
It's getting hot.
The environment in Veteran streets are so cool. So cool.
Before.
So fresh.
Before
that.
Yes.
But since now, I mean, right now.
After that.
After this.
Yes.
If we through that way.
Walking and around.
Yes. Walking around. It's so hot. So hot. And.
Absolutely, you want to say that it's totally different.
Yes, it's
totally getting different. Hot right now than before.
Yes,
because you feel it. You was you was studied there, right?
Yeah.
And when you grow up as a student university, oh my God,
what is
this? It's very hot than before, right?
Yes. What temperature is this?
Okay, I get the point. Okay, so we'll be right back after this, so don't go anywhere. Stay tuned on Smartfm 101.1, the spirit of Indonesia.